good day. Today, I wish to share with you about the project that going to do for my PhD research. The topic is about the digitalizing the monitoring of availability, performance, and quality, and in short, we call it OEE, or overall equipment effectiveness, through real-time big data analytics and the development of new manufacturing system approach. So whenever we say real-time big data analytics, normally we are referring to data capture in cloud. And definitely we are using the web services we have developed with the support from Microsoft. And for the new management system, I am doing something based on my experience since 35 years ago in ISO management system, and together with the latest technology from Microsoft Power Apps. Right, let me share with you this Microsoft Power App. That is the one that we have been using together with our web services to make the things happen. That is the very powerful tool which are using low code, which enable the fast making of apps. Either it is in a web app, or whether it's in a mobile, or even in a desktop. Right? This is allowing me to make things happen very fast. Right? And definitely is together with our web services, which we've developed especially for the client. And this is on cloud. So with the cloud together with Microsoft Power Apps, you can be used in Android or even iOS, which make things happen for manufacturing environment. So thanks to the partner from a Malaysian company who is making screw and want us to make the apps for our mobile system. And from here, I started to go into the OEE study based on the data that we have collected. And definitely we are going to the OE, which I'm studying right now. And thanks to all the data collected from the production floor, although it's in a trial run and pilot run, but we have collected a lot of data, and then we know it is definitely visible. And although it is not perfect, but we'll keep pursuing to make it better, and so that we can have a better OE study, right? So definitely it's something like we are going to showcase with the Power Platform, which there are many people studying, but we are only one. The only one that we make using API on cloud, which is something not done by anybody else, and which will definitely make things happen to make it real time, big data, and analyze to improve in the industry. All right, hopefully this is something we can make it better for the industry, and we will share with you in the near future. Right, thank you very much.